After a Louisville judge booted the Jefferson County attorney off of a case because he knew and wanted to help the alleged victim, the prosecutor called that decision absurd. But as WDRB's Dalton Godby heard in court this morning, that judge refused to even hear this argument. Dalton?
Judge Stephanie Pierce Burke did not allow the county attorney's office to argue the decision to remove the office from the case and denied the motion to overturn her ruling. In October of 2021, this email from Jefferson County Attorney Mike O'Connell indicated he wanted to help an alleged victim in a tenant dispute. O'Connell claimed to know the landlord, a U of L professor, John Gilderblum. Gilderblum's tenant, Richard Hardacre, was later charged with felony extortion after a criminal complaint accused him of threatening the landlord.
We believe that if someone else was handling this case would not have reached this point.
Now, nearly 2 years later, the parties are still fighting in court. And just last week, the defense wanted the county attorney off the case.
I don't believe they have standing to address anything in this case, to file anything, to have their motions heard. This court recused them. I think this motion should not even be heard by the court.
Judge Stephanie Pierce Burke approved the motion and kicked the county attorney's office off the case because of O'Connell's connection to Gilderblum. It prompted another motion from the county attorney asking for the order to be tossed and claiming that Judge Burke's ruling was absurd and utterly opposed to the law.
We argued that because they were previously ordered to be recused from the case, they had no standing to argue it.
In court Monday, Judge Burke refused to hear the arguments.
I would overrule the motion if I were to hear it. I'm not going to have any arguments on the motion. Your motion stands on its face. I mean, you've submitted your arguments and your position. I'll deny your motion.
The motion went unheard and denied following its claims that Judge Burke acted illegally and outside her authority. The defense asked for the entire case to be thrown out, but that was also denied. A special prosecutor is expected to be named by the next hearing, which is set for early August.
All right, thanks, Dalton.